Now to the business report with Joel Crosskill.
Too much to share with you in the business report today. Emerging from day one of the JSE's 20th Regional Investment and Capital Markets Conference 2025, as awareness of the importance, potential and impediments to the operations of the capital markets were jointly captured by Managing Director of the JSE Dr. Marlene Forrest and Chairman of the JSE Stephen Whittingham.
I strongly believe that this gathering, which by design is scheduled for the beginning of the year, really plays an instrumental role in setting the tone for the financial markets across the Caribbean by engaging executives, impacting board agendas, and influencing governments.
The global shift towards diversified financial products, such as green bonds, sustainability-linked securities, and alternative investment funds, demonstrates that innovation can create pathways to attract new investors. And the region must prioritize creating instruments that meet global demand while addressing local needs. Technology-driven innovation like blockchain and tokenized assets are reshaping how we trade, settle, and invest. So while we have started on this journey, and we have, things take time, it is important that our financial markets move speedily ahead to create the necessary legislations and framework to embrace it, and for the frameworks created to be workable and not steeped in bureaucracy and red tape.
It's an ambition that has gained public exposure conceptually quite recently with the announcement of the Elon Musk-led Department of Government Efficiency in the United States, as well as the massive investment in AI infrastructure that has been heralded by the Stargate project. And it's between those themes of efficiency and innovation that the BR takes the opportunity to explore some of the announcements that were made during the keynote address of Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who provided a timely update of the progress that has been made towards the new Aspire growth policy with the announcement of the Speed Task Force, designed to cut through the red tape and identify bureaucratic bottlenecks across sectors.
Reducing red tape and bureaucracy is central to Jamaica's growth agenda. To achieve rapid economic growth, we aim to become the most business-friendly and citizen-focused country in the region. To drive this transformation, I will appoint the Speed Task Force, streamlining processes for efficiency and economic development. Speed. And we will do that by the end of February. The task force will identify bottlenecks, recommend actionable solutions, and deliver tangible outcomes within specified timelines. Whether through a single team or a rotating group of focused individuals on specific areas, the mechanism will ensure Jamaica's business environment meets world-class standard. We are aiming for business at the speed of thought.
According to Angus Young, Chief Executive Officer, NCB Capital Markets Limited, who, while describing the JSE capital market as the most efficient in the region, admits it has some way to go towards meeting the demands of global expectation.
The government of Jamaica will not be the serial issuer of capital market assets like years gone by. Jamaica's economic metrics continue to improve, and improving credit ratings are a testament to this. So the domestic capital markets will have to manufacture new assets to live off of, and this brings significant opportunity for further development and sophistication.
Prime Minister Holness spoke on the ongoing divestment of government assets, while also teasing additional measures that could have a significant impact on the attractiveness of Jamaica as a financial sector leader within the region, capable of connecting the Caribbean to the world.
The government, and we're doing more, the government will very soon be divesting its 20% shareholding in Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, held through the National Road Operating and Construction Company, NROC. This will be undertaken through a public offer for sale. So that is going to be something that the capital markets can look forward to. Also, later this year, the Port Authority of Jamaica will be divesting a percentage of its BPO assets, again through a public offer for sale on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. We are exploring tax legislation to incentivize the repatriation of businesses, including their activities, associated assets, and profits to Jamaica. So we know that there are many Jamaican companies that have chosen to domicile in various other jurisdictions. We want to bring you back home, and we will make it very favorable for you to do so. We encourage businesses to modernize and retool their facilities, as well as for investment in technology. We're considering the implementation of accelerated capital allowances. This measure would support enhanced productivity and competitiveness, especially in key industries that drive our economy. Now, I can't say too much at this time, but we are exploring a reduction in the rate of tax on dividends from the current rate of 15%.
And that was your business report. I'm Joel Crosskill.